Hello everyone. So I told you in not this homeroom, but last homeroom, and again I guess in this homeroom, that I would look at your iReady between December 10th and today. And those of you who did your 60 minutes of math and your 60 minutes of reading within those time frames, December 10th and today, I would put your name in for a drawing for a Frosty tag. So I'm very happy to report that I had five students who met that requirement. I had 5 students who went and did an hour of math, 60 minutes of math, and did an hour, 60 minutes of reading. And those 5 people are going to be put into my stocking. And I'm going to pull out names. Notice I said names for a Frosty tab. So our 5 winners were Savannah. Great job, Savannah. Carissa. Nice job, Carissa. Put it in the bag. Trevor. Great job, sir. Putting your money, your time, and your name in the bag. Leanne. Putting your name in there. Okay. And Rashana. Okay. Putting your names inside. All right, so I'm going to shake them up real good. Oh, I lost one. Hold on. Ah! Don't want anyone's name to get dropped. Shake it up really, 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 really well. All right, here it goes. Moment of truth. The winner is Rashana. Congratulations to Rashana. And I don't know, since it's the holiday time, and I'm feeling giving, and I feel like I have the best group of students out of all of the teachers, I feel like if your name was in this bag, that you worked really hard, and you deserve a Frosty card too. So every single person who's in this bag is going to get a Frosty card. So Carissa, I will send you a Frosty card. And Leanne, I will send you a Frosty card. And Trevor, I will send you a Frosty card. And Savannah, I will send you a Frosty card. So congratulations to all 5 of you who've really worked hard to make sure that you were in there and you were working. And as a reward for that, I'm going to send everybody whose name was in the bag a Frosty tag. So keep your eyes on your mail. It should come in an envelope from me shortly. I would say after the holiday has passed. But thank you, thank you, thank you for working so hard to make sure that you got your iReady done. I hope that you all have a wonderful holiday and a long break, and I will see you next year. Congratulations to my 5 winners.